Hello everyone, my name is Eugene and welcome to Finance Talk. Today we will speak about different apps for family budgeting and life hacks which can help you to make this process easier. If you didn't see my previous video about family budgeting basics, I strongly recommend you to go to it and watch. It was the first part where I spoke about the different budgeting methods, popular mistakes couples and families face while budgeting nowadays, and things you need to consider before making your first family budget. So let's get started. In order to do all this budgeting thing, we need a special template or an app in which we can calculate all the numbers and track all incomes and expenses. In my previous video, I spoke about why I use Google Sheets and how I use it in my budgeting routine. So if you would like to know more about this particular style of budgeting, I would recommend you to watch that video. Today, we will speak about budgeting apps because they are quite simple to use and they have some built-in features which make the budgeting process easier. For example, you can link your credit cards and track all your spendings from your bank accounts. And you do not need to write down all these numbers. But now let's talk about the difference between personal budget apps and applications for family budgeting. First, it is important to have the connection of bank accounts of your family members. You need to have a consolidated numbers of how much money you spend and earn. And you also can split some expenses between different bank accounts. Next, special alert for different occasions. It is important to have reminders which show you that today you need to pay off some of your bills if you do not have the automatic payment system, or you need to take some action in order to improve your financial planning, etc. Or you need to take some actions or maybe buy groceries or other things. Next, the option to plan all your incomes and expenses for future periods. It is important because you need to understand your future financial position and make some actions beforehand in order to improve it. Usually some apps have built-in artificial intelligence feature, meaning that it can plan all your future expenses based on your previous one. Next, it is an option to add another person to your current budget app so you can track all your spendings together. It is useful when you have multiple banking accounts and you spend money from different credit cards, which all need to be tracked. Next, I think, is one of the most important features, cashback and rewards. It is great when for every dollar you spend from your credit or debit card through the app, you get a special discount for services or goods in order to save more money for the future. So now let's talk about different apps which will help you to improve your family budget. I have not been sponsored by all of these guys. This is my personal experience and my personal choice, and I think that these apps are most suitable for such type of tasks. It is also need to say that most of these apps are used in the United States. So if you want me to review budgeting apps for different countries, please write down in the comments below. First app is Mint. I think that this is the classical budgeting app and it is quite a golden standard, as many people say. It's like all-in-one app which has different options for budgeting, for saving money, for money management and investing, and also loans. Here you can also see your credit score and understand how much money can you borrow from the bank. You can also add multiple accounts, manage your money on different balances, make projections for your future incomes and expenses as well. This app is completely free. It can be used both for personal and family budgeting. The Mint app has mobile and desktop versions, so you can track all your numbers on the mobile and laptop as well. Next is Firstly. This is the app which was designed particularly for families and young couples, and it has special options for them like connecting different balances, splitting expenses, planning incomes and expenses for the whole family, consolidating budgets, etc. Firstly app has also mobile and desktop versions, so you can easily synchronize all your data and analyze all your situation both on the mobile and on the desktop. Next one is the app which is called Family Zoo. This app was designed for families with kids in order to easier track expenses for parents and children. You can register on the website and add different accounts to your mobile and desktop application. You can also issue a special debit cards for you and your family members in order to track your expenses more clearly. Another cool feature is that you can transfer the money from your credit or debit card into your child's account and do it remotely from the app. So if your kid needs additional money for purchases, you can do it at any time. Now let's talk about different life hacks and tips which you can use in order to improve your budgeting process. First is to use mostly bank accounts, not cash. It is important because while budgeting and making transactions in cash, you need to write down all the expenses, and if you are working and you are quite busy, it is usually difficult to do. As a result, you can forget some of the expenses and your budget will not be 100% correct. So while using your bank account, all your expenses are tracked automatically and you do not need to spend time for that. Next, it is useful to work both on increasing your family's income and lowering the expenses. Most people want to improve the situation only from the one side, but usually it is much difficult to do. It is so because we have different economic events which constantly occur. For example, inflation, raising on prices for food, for utilities, etc. The best thing is to increase your income and have the same amount of expenses for every month. And in this case, you can save more and invest more money for the long term. Next, to save money for sinking funds. It is important because we all have these recurring expenses like buying Christmas and birthday gifts, paying for the insurance, paying for our subscriptions. If you plan it beforehand and you save little money for that, it will be easier for you to track all those expenses and to pay out all of them. It is also important to have the reserve fund, which can save you from unexpected expenses. It is important to save up to 10% for every month in order to have the sum which covers all the expenses for 3 or 6 months of your living. That's all for now, and I hope this video was useful for you. I think that now you understand the budgeting process and understand how to improve it in your particular situation. If you have other questions, please write them down in the comments below, and also please subscribe to the channel in order to see more great videos on these topics. Bye.